Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Today I am going to be taking you guys through a really cool project that I do think you are going to enjoy just as much as I did. It's called GGShot, and this is more than just a trading tool. It is a fully integrated AI-powered trading ecosystem that's designed for serious traders who want results without any guesswork. So we are going to be diving into everything you need to know regarding this project, how it can benefit you, and show you some really cool details regarding it. But before we get into all those details, a quick disclaimer: we are not in any way affiliated with any of the projects that we review on our channel, so definitely make sure to do your own due diligence. Also keep in mind to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions at the very end of the video. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're in crypto, forex, or simply traditional markets, because GGShot provides ultra-precise real-time trading signals directly into your TradingView charts, paired with automatic execution via Cornix and alerts through Telegram. Now, at the core of the platform itself is the GGShot indicator, which is a powerful proprietary TradingView script that gives clear, actionable long-short trade signals with pre-configured stop-loss levels and up to 4 take-profit targets. Now, what sets GGShot apart is its smart integration of over 167 strategies, that you heard that right, that optimized for different market conditions, dynamic filters to avoid low volatility zones, and in-chart backtesting analytics that help you assess performance instantly. New features also are consistently added, such as advanced take-profit logic, momentum-based entries, and AI-tuned dynamic levels that react in real time to market conditions. Now, with GGShot, you're not just reacting to the market, you're staying 5 steps ahead. The Telegram bot actually feeds you the signals in real time, and it's fully synced with Cornix, enabling hands-free auto trading based on the same proven logic powering the indicators themselves. Now, this means that your trades are executed even if you're offline, which is a complete game changer for busy traders or those managing portfolios across time zones, etc. Really helps you out greatly. And beyond its technical capabilities, GGShot is backed by an experienced team with over 7 years of trading expertise and a thriving community of over 50,000 traders worldwide. The results speak for themselves. Community members report turning modest investments like $300 into over $2,000 in just a few weeks using the indicator's precision and strategy presets. Now, even those new to trading can learn quickly thanks to detailed tutorials, educational content, and strategy breakdowns that are shared via their Medium blog. So definitely make sure to go check that out. I know that I myself am very intrigued to see those, because obviously you can learn so much before diving into all the other tools that you can actually use for yourself. So whether you're scalping, swing trading, or holding positions over days, GGShot's versatility allows you to configure it to your preferred style, with the added confidence of tested performance. Now, GGShot doesn't offer this tool to just anyone. The script is invite only, and access is granted after you message the team through their official Telegram channel at @GG Trading. Definitely make sure to go and check them out. And this ensures quality control, a focused community, and a user base that truly understands the value of intelligent trading tools. Once approved, you gain full access to the indicator, the private trading community, and ongoing updates from the development team themselves. So I strongly suggest that you guys go and check those out in order to get into this community and this inner circle. And the vision doesn't just stop there. The roadmap includes expanding the indicator's AI logic, launching an even more refined auto trading strategy builder, and integrating with more trading platforms. GGShot is committed to staying ahead of the curve, giving traders not just a tool, but a full ecosystem of support, automation, and intelligence. So, if you're ready to move beyond guesswork and trade with confidence, precision, and automation, it's time to join the GGShot revolution. Visit www.ggshot.com, dive into real user results on their official Medium blog, and connect with the team at their official Telegram to get your invite. Whether you're just getting started or leveling up your strategy, GGShot definitely gives you the edge that you've been looking for. Fully automated, razor sharp, and built for results. Having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions. Don't forget to go check these guys out, give them a follow on other social accounts, stay up to date with everything that goes on, have fun trading, let me know how it goes, and I really hope to see you all in the next video.